Hey everyone, welcome back to Solution Guides. Today let's talk about Tailscale versus Twingate, which is the best. Tailscale is a tool that helps you securely connect your devices over the internet like your computer, phone, or server, as if they were all in the same network. It uses WireGuard, which is known for speed and strong security, great for personal use or small teams who want something easy to set up and manage. Twingate, on the other hand, is a modern VPN replacement. It focuses on helping companies give employees secure access to apps and services without exposing the entire network. It's more focused on businesses and includes extra security features like user access controls and split tunneling. If you're an individual or a small team who just wants a simple, secure way to connect devices, go with Tailscale. It is fast, super easy to use, and works great out of the box. But if you're managing a larger team or company and need fine-grained control over who access what, Twingate is better suited for professional environments with strong security needs. And that's it. If this helped you out, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.